In this video, I'll show you the HQ texture pack mod for GTA 4, which replaces the original textures with high resolution ones to make the game look much more detailed and realistic. Check my video description for this mod link, select the download option and wait for 30 seconds and then select the download now option and it will start downloading. Before doing this mod, back up your GTA 4 game folder. Copy the game folder and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, right click on the mod zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open the Lord's textures and now you need to open the OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed yet, check my video description for this tutorial video. Watch this video and install the OpenIV. Once done, open the PC folder, data, maps, east and open the east in mod folder. Drag and drop all these files except the to readme. Before drag and drop, select the edit mode and select yes option. Now drag and drop the files inside. Once this done, go back and go back here as well. Open the jersey. Open jersey in mod folder as well. Drag and drop all these files inside. Once this done, go back here as well. Open the man hat. Same thing in here. Drag and drop all these files inside. Back, open the probes and same thing in here. Probes, commercial, and drag and drop all these files inside. And do the same thing in row for all of these. Once you're done, close stuff here and launch the game. I will add the before and after comparison. You can compare the roads, trees, cars, everything changed. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.